everybody, it's the Soap Man, and it's time to make some soap again. So I'm going to be doing a soap similar to what I did last week with the layers, with my mold tilted at an angle, just be doing a different color scheme. Like before, the black is going to be Nurture Soap's activated charcoal. The middle layer is going to be Nurture Soap's really red. I do know that bleeds. This is the last of the really red that I bought a while back, and in this instance, bleeding is not going to be an issue, so I'm going to use the rest of this up. And then the top layer is going to be Nurture Soap's Platinum Gray. Just look at this, isn't that beautiful? And I am going to do a mica line in between each of the colors with Nurture Soap's Shimmer Gold, a favorite of mine to do this with. And I'm going to fragrance this with Brambleberries Made to Measure. I have used this before, but it's been a long time, but I really liked it, and I think it's going to go really well with this soap. So like last week, I have literally 3 containers of oil, 3 containers of lye, so I can pour a layer. Got plenty of time to let it set up while the rest of the colors are not hardening up on me. So let's go ahead and get started. So I will put the activated charcoal into the oils. And since this is just oil, there's no lye in this yet, I'm going to go ahead and blend it well to make sure that the activated charcoal is well dispensed into the oil. And then add our lye in. Blend it. Put about 1/3 of our fragrance in. And it's well mixed. So let's get it poured before it sets up. So we'll put the mold at an angle, make sure you can see it, which you can, and start pouring. And let's see, yes, you're in the picture. Then I will go ahead and take our Shimmer Gold. Try to get some gold all over this. I've actually never done this, poured at an angle like this. And this is posing a bit of an issue. So let's just get kind of rough down in there, and I'll have to clean it up some while I'm waiting for this to set up. Actually, I think what I'll have to do is turn the mold at a different angle once it sets up. So I will shut this down, finish that off camera, and clean it up a little bit. So I'll see you in just a minute. Okay, and for layer 2, the red, I just found out that dusting your soap while tilted at an angle is not quite as easy as you might think it is. while I was waiting for that to set up, I'm just going to finish that off. While I was waiting for that to set up, I had to lay the mold flat and clean up the sides. And then finish dusting it. So let's do our next layer. And I totally forgot to clean the head of the steak blender. Let me grab a clean one real quick. Sorry about that. So I'm just mixing the red into the oils. Now I'm going to put the lye in. Add a third of the fragrance. Poured quickly before it goes up too much. Oops, wrong angle, sorry. And you can see it. Carefully not to knock the mica line off or break through. And I will have to dust this off camera because I'm going to have to dust it, let it firm up, set it flat, and dust it again. So I'll see you in just a minute, and I'll have the mica line on it. And we are ready for our third and final color layer, the platinum gray. Once again, just the color in the oils to disperse them. And add the lye in. The rest of our fragrance. And pour it. Alright, that is a little on the thin side. What I plan to do is let that sit up just for a minute and do a mica drizzle on the top with the shimmer golds. So I'm going to shut this down for a minute. And we are back. I know what tradition says about waiting to unmold your soap, 24 hours, sometimes 2 days. This is reality. Reality says I poured this soap 10 hours ago. And it's ready to unmold 10 hours. I'm going to cut it on the side since it does have mica on the top and in the center, and I'll try my best not to drag it. Let's cut it and see. Oh yeah, it's hard. It is ready to cut. And that is exactly what I planned on, yes. And you can see the mica line in it. So these will pretty much look the same. Well, they will look the same. Might be some varying degrees of mica vein, oops. Very nice. So yeah, I got what I wanted out of these. I'm really happy with it. Let's put them together and I'll show you a picture here. Very nice. Very happy with these. So folks, take care of yourselves, stay safe, stay well, and I will see you next week some more soap. Have a great weekend, and thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.